Hey guys, what's up? It's Kiara here. Today's Monday. I slept in till, no, I didn't sleep in. I stayed in bed till literally noon today, which was kind of weird for me, but I loved it. Currently 1 o'clock. We are doing something so fun, so exciting today. I'm going shopping at Target. I'm gonna get a bunch of stuff for a giveaway for you guys because we just hit 90,000 subscribers. It's back to school time. I did one of these last year. So we're gonna go shopping today. We're gonna bring you guys along because this can be like a little vlog style shop with me, and I can like show you guys what you're gonna win. If you want to enter, I'm gonna put all the rules down in the description box. Also, just stay tuned to the end of the video because then I'm gonna like show you everything that you can win and the rules and all that jazz. Let's just head off to Target. Let's see what we can find. You can see me vlogging in the mirror, which honestly is such a pet peeve of mine. Should we do a little outfit of the day? I'm just really excited because I got this full body mirror back. This one was in my sorority room and I moved it into my room at home. So this is the outfit today. We got Steve Madden shoes, Brandy shorts, and I got this shirt at Urban Outfitters, and I'm wearing like the tiniest little chain. All right, squad, we've made it to Target. Really excited because I got one of those parking spots where you can just literally like pull through, facing the way I want to leave, so I don't even have to back up. I actually chose to come at this time of day because I thought no one would be here because A, it's summer, it's Monday, 1 o'clock, like I'm thinking everyone's gonna be at their jobs or whatever, but no, the parking lot is packed. We're gonna like test out my ability to publicly vlog. Okay, let's do this. Public vlogging 101. Don't look into people's eyes and you'll never even think that you're doing anything wrong. We got the cart. Also just trying to avoid the Target employees because they're literally everywhere. And this is my favorite section, home decor, obviously. I'm so confused. I'm either super early and got here before all the stuff, or everything is sold out. Might be a fail. Hopefully I can find what I need. Honestly, that's so weird. Did someone just come in here and just sweep? Let's just get this started. Okay, we definitely need to get you guys a stapler, so I'm gonna find one real quick. It's kind of like this blue though. I'm digging it, but this pink is also cute. I'm gonna go with this color. It's more cute for you guys. This is what I need, but I need the one that's 3 subject. This is like my favorite go-to notebook. All right, we're gonna grab 2 folders for you guys. I legit have this, so I'm gonna get another one. We're gonna get you some of these. These are my favorite pencils. They're on sale, so I'm really excited about that. It says low prices all season, but like, what is the price? I'll just do 2 of these. Okay, bless. I actually found the thing I needed in the color I wanted for you guys, which was white. So, yippee. Okay, finally an aisle where people aren't in the aisle. Okay, so we're finding more stuff. Super cute little pencil thing. These are like some artsy pencils. Like, look at these. The aesthetic of these pencils. Do we get them though? I don't even really like those pencils like that. I like this. Oh my god, this is what I needed to get for you guys. It's a little mini whiteboard. You guys know how I like to study with my mini whiteboards, so we're gonna get a pink one of those. There are so many people here. It's so hard to vlog. I always make fun of people who can't actually vlog in public, and now that's me. Okay, so the new game plan is to go to the actual like artsy desk decor section because I'm hoping they're gonna have more stuff and it's gonna be cuter. Okay, so I want to get you guys one of these organizer things because I like to keep all my papers in it, but they only have really ugly colors, so I think I'm gonna splurge. We're gonna get this beautiful marble one. Ooh, I also love these little post-it tabs, so I'm gonna get you guys these. Is there anything else? Oh wait, these are kind of fun. I kind of like how this one has like mini stuff in it. This is super cute. We're definitely getting this. All right, we got the goods for the back to school giveaway thing. This is definitely the most aesthetically pleasing giveaway I think there is. Oh my god, it's so hot. This is definitely like the hottest week in Oregon that we've had in a while. It was low-key kind of expensive, but you guys are definitely worth it. And I wanted to pick out stuff that I actually would use and buy for like my own college, whatever. But you could definitely use this stuff if you're in high school, middle school, elementary school, any grade. I'm starving. I'm gonna go to Chipotle, or Chipotle as my mom likes to call it. Then I'm gonna go back home, show you guys actually everything I got, and tell you guys how to enter the giveaway, so stay tuned. Got myself a nice veggie bowl. Little life hack for you guys, you can get free guac if you just get the veggies. So that's what I do when I want the guac and I don't want to pay $2.80. Guys, there's a chunk of steak in my veggie bowl. Good thing I'm not vegetarian. Okay, so we're back home. I just laid out all of the goodies on the bed. Really cute office accessory kit. These are some of my favorite felt tip pens. I love these when I'm making like my note cards for studying, which I told you guys about in my studying video. These are my favorite pencils. I also got you guys a whiteboard because I love to study with this. I also got you a 3-subject college ruled notebook in white folder. I don't use folders that much in college. I honestly keep one folder just in my desk drawer because I like to keep things unwrinkled and nice, or if you're ever like need to turn in a paper for school and put it in your backpack, it's not gonna get crushed by your laptop or anything. So I got you guys that. I also got you guys a small 3-ring binder. Some of my classes actually have handouts where you buy at the bookstore. It's like a packet full of paper that you need to put in a binder. You guys a pencil holder. I thought this one was super cute and nice. Then you can put all your stuff in it. I got you 2 colors of post-it notes. Also got you guys a stapler because literally I use my stapler so much in college. Okay, the next chunk of stuff is all from Yobi. They were nice enough to send me a bunch of adorable school supplies. This is like a 3-piece zip-up pencil pouch. We have some washi tape right here. Really cute index cards, and they come in a little case. They also sent me one of these, which is a weekly calendar. If you guys watch my videos, you know that I always have something like this out on my desk, and I use it more than a planner. That way I can like visually see it and I have it all organized. I also got you guys some post-it flag notes. If you guys want to keep floss or hair ties, hand sanitizer, little things in your backpack, this is perfect for that. The last thing I got you guys is this beautiful accordion file. Sorry, we're taking a momentary intermission because I just literally cut my finger open on the back of this chair. There was a nail or something, but we're gonna go through the rules of how you can win all this stuff. The first rule is that you gotta be subscribed to me because like literally this is for you guys. Rule number 2 is that you need to be following me on my Instagram and Twitter. That way I have the ability to message you guys. The links to both of those are down below, and my username is @Kiara Madisen, spelled the same way as my YouTube username. Rule number 3 is that you guys need to have your parents' permission to enter if you're under 18, and if you're over 18, you can do whatever you want. I just need to have your address at the end of the day to ship you all of this stuff. And the last thing is actually how you're going to enter. I did the same exact question last year and I honestly loved reading your guys' responses. So I'm gonna have you guys comment down below what keeps you motivated during the school year and you're also gonna need to leave me either your Instagram or your Twitter username. That way when I randomly select a winner, I'm gonna be able to be like, yo, winner's username is this on Insta. I'm gonna go slide into her DMs and let her know that she won. That is how you enter this giveaway. Give this video a thumbs up and let your friends know. That's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for 90,000. Again, we are so close to 100,000 that it actually blows my mind, and I'm working on something really special for you guys when we hit that. So that's today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wishing you guys the best of luck in this back to school season. I believe in you guys, and I will see you in another video. Really excited to read your responses. Have a great rest of your day.
Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone